Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for April 26th through May 10th. April 26th to 30th, we have a trough here that is over the Aleutians. We have a ridge here to the south that extends into the west. And you notice that we have this upper low part of the polar vortex has lifted towards northwest Canada. We have another upper low over eastern Canada with above normal heights. Over Greenland, the North Atlantic favors this trough downstream. Miles of good agreement on this. During this period, we will have persistent flow into the northwest. You can see here, this is GFS. Here's a European. And this will cause precipitation for parts of the northwest into the northern Rockies. The east will experience below normal temperatures due to the trough. System will be exiting. You see it right here. Will be exiting the northeast mid-Atlantic, and this will cause precipitation across parts of the northeast. And let me try to get this stable. And areas of higher elevations in the interior northeast mid-Atlantic could see some snow as well down into the mountains of West Virginia. Could see a little bit of snow. Then we're going to have another system be affecting the east. There'll be a system, northwest energy will move across you can see right here, late in the week, will move across the northern states. And here's a trailing cold front, and this will interact with a moist flow. This will cause heavier rain in its path. And again, the rain is coming to the same areas that don't need any rain, as any rain will exacerbate any flooding problems that have been going on. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for May 1st to the 5th. The pattern remains the same. Some of the models weaken, like here's a GFS, keeps the positive anomalies here, but if we look at the other models, they kind of weaken it some. It's ensembles, kind of weaken it and bring below normal heights in, and the other models keep some type of positive height anomalies across that area. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal, could be even higher across this area here. Some models were forecasting anomalies of near 12 degrees above normal, and below normal temperature forecast for this region, and anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal are forecast. For precipitation, I'm calling for below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Above normal precipitation remains across this region. Probability of occurrence is 40%. Now we're going to take a look at the period for May 6th to the 10th. And you can see we go into more like a zonal flow during this period, but with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. But some of the models you can see here have a tendency for below normal heights across much of the northern states, especially the northeast. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, wrong map, then I am forecasting above normal temperatures for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 4 to 8, or now the anomalies for this forecast period is 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, I'm calling for below normal precipitation here, and for this region, probability of occurrence is 40%. Above normal precipitation forecast here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. That's a long range weather forecast discussion for April 26th through May 10th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.